Hello, so I'm just recording a voiceover for the video that I am going to be posting. Currently, I am showing you the first prime. The Inkmaid people recommended that we use a foam brush because it'll allow the ink to really get in there and be more stable. I tried using solid brushes or even with like one of the more traditional paint brushes. Nothing works as good as this. If you see, I am currently painting on the top to bottom version right now. This is the first prime because in my experience, if you only do it one coat one way, it's not going to have as pristine of protection. I have had a lot of errors where there was just so many holes in it. So if you see this, I'm using my old CVS shirt to clean the back so that way it looks nicer on the final print. So that's why I have the t-shirt there. I'm just cleaning everything up. This next one is I am going back and printing over on perpendicular, 90-degree turn, painting over it that way. Can't see much right now, but the card that's right in front of my phone while I'm watching Binging with Babbage, of course, is actually one of the versions that I printed. I have white and clear. This is using the white one on a regular card, but it's probably like a white card, so that's why it is so perfectly. But if you see, it should be coming up right about now. You can see there, it actually is pretty covered. It's a little opaque, but that's fine. As we apply a second coat, it's going to cause it to be much more revealed again. It's going to be nearly translucent. That's fine. It's literally just, it's just rehydrating itself. You will see that it'll come full print in the end, and that is a-okay. So I'm just doing the second coat perpendicular, that way it has perfect protection. It'll be really good. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this clip. So we're going to be, now that that's done, clean the back. If it wasn't clean, I put it down on my table. So now I'm going to be printing a card from MPC Fill. It is the new Imracool, The World Anew. I'm using this one to denote that it is a proxy because I prefer it that way. I don't know how visible this is, but you need to change the size to 3.74. That is the default that was printed on one way, and that basically accounts for it's going to be the correct size if you put it in there, and then it has that 1/8 inch surrounding fill. So, so yeah, I'm just printing it one way, realigning it, currently going to print it, and I think I made a mistake here. You're going to see that I made the mistake, yeah, because it's 2 pages. I have another card that I put on here to print, so that's what this all gobbledygook is. I might cut this out, but I like being more direct because I like showing that I am stupid, and that is fine. I'm ugly and I'm proud. No, I'm stupid and I'm proud. So yeah, that's the other card that I had on there. That's why I was trying to print 2 pages, my Ansu. So I used that. So yeah, just now I gotta print it, and it'll be totally fine. And so yeah, that's the print. This is me sticking it. I didn't have much black ink at the time, so that's why I only did a little bit. But yeah, I just use a little bit of a double-sided tape. I prefer the thinner stuff because it's longer and you really don't need much coverage for it. So yeah, that's why I have it there. I'm touching all 4 sides because you want to have all 4 sides done. If there is even a little bit exposed, then yeah, that's what that is. The card itself is just a random black common. I wanted to get a black card so that way you can see, yes, this is really good at showing opacity. Like, this is a white on black. This is a black card, so nice. Yeah, you just want to, but if you don't have all 4 corners taped, the card will get jammed up and it'll get just totally misprinted. I just show you it's finally printed. You can see that there was some misalignment. That's okay. That was just my personal error because I was doing it hastily. And yeah, it's a regular magic card back, so it's great. So yeah, enjoy. I'll be posting an ending video. So this is for Historical Hamster. I literally just printed this right now. Now I'm going to peel it. So you can see there is some bad centering here. I didn't place it. Top down is just bad placement. I didn't place it right. Side to side, I mean, I have a $60 printer. Can't really see it. Hold on. So yeah, the side to side is more about, whoa, no idea. So side to side, it's a cheap printer. So there's gonna be a lot of mistakes, but you get most of the worm, you get the art. The text was weird on the print and on the card I got. So I would say if you're able to fix that to make it a little bit less kind of fuzzy, that'll be better. But yeah, it's a little bit hazy. Expect this card in the mail. But yeah, it's on a regular magic pack. I'd say that's a pretty good coverage of the art. A little off center, not a big deal. You got the art, you got the text. It all works. I didn't even show you the best part. I'm actually squeezing it. And the art isn't smudging or anything. This was literally just printed. I just printed it. So, yeah. Mouse.